Now that summer is in full swing, so are people's travel plans. And if you don't already have plans, it's not too late. To give us all the tricks and tips is travel expert Johnny Jett. Hi, Johnny.
Hello.
How are you doing? Doing well?
Yes, I am. I'm in Toronto right now.
Nice, nice. Well, we want to know, what is this summer's most popular destination so far?
Well, it really depends who you ask. So Airbnb will tell you it's Venice, Italy, or Florence, or Capri, or they'll say it's Puerto Escondido in Mexico, or Capos, Costa Rica. But if you ask Priceline, they say internationally Americans are going to London, Paris, and Rome. And domestically, they're going to Vegas, Orlando, New York, Chicago, and Seattle. And Hopper has a different list as well, but they say Vegas, Miami, and LA. So I just think people are looking for a good time, warm weather, either a good pool or a great beach.
So what are some last-minute trips that people should think about if they're looking to get away before the end of the summer?
Well, I love going to Catalina because it's so close. It's easy. It feels like Europe when you're there. I also, if you have kids, go to Santa Barbara or San Diego. There's so much to do. If you're feeling a little bit braver, come to Canada, where I am right now. It's 23% off of everything because our dollar is so strong. And if you want to go even further, Europe right now, although a lot of the airports there are a mess, especially the major ones, the euro is almost on par. It's $1 for €1.
Those all sound so fantastic, but of course that kind of leads me to the next question. There's of course lots of delays and cancellations due to, a pilot shortage. What can people do to make sure that everything goes smoothly?
Well, first of all, you need to leave plenty of time. So if you have a wedding to go to or something big, a cruise, make sure you go a day or two early. Show up to the airport early, because if you miss your flight, there's not a lot of room for the airlines to put you on another one. Make sure that your contact information in their app or in your reservation is correct. Check all the emails. Keep checking your reservation. Try and fly midweek. Take the first flight out in the morning. Don't check a bag if you can. It's really a lot easier than you think. And if you do check a bag, make sure you take all the valuables on the plane with you, especially medications. Take extra, bring extra change of clothes just in case you are, delayed or stranded somewhere.
Yeah, you really have to think about it from all angles. So, of course, we're in the summer travel season now, but fall travel is around the corner. So how can people start preparing for that right now?
Listen, I always set fare alerts, and I've already purchased my tickets for Christmas. So start looking now. If you see a great deal, jump on it. The airlines give you 24 hours to think it over. So if you find something, book it, then ask your travel companions if they can do it. If they can't, cancel it. Again, travel midweek again. It really will save you a lot of money and hassle. And you can look at one ways, you can look at multiple stops, but obviously you really want to do a nonstop, especially with all the chaos that's going on now because of the pilot shortage, the staffing shortages at airports. And don't buy basic economy tickets unless you really know what you're getting into, and find out what the baggage rules are. And because you don't want to get charged for bringing a carry-on on the plane.
That's true. Nonstop is key. Well, Johnny, thank you so much. So many tips and tricks. We'll be right back after a short break.
So there you were,